Kajabi 30-day free trial. So I'm really excited in today's video because I'll be showing you how you can get an extended free trial of Kajabi. So typically you can only get a 14-day free trial of Kajabi, as you can see right here. So you can only normally get a 14-day trial of Kajabi. But if you go through the link down below in the video description, you're going to be able to come to this special page right here. We can get an exclusive Kajabi 30-day free trial. As you can see right here, start your 30-day free trial, and all you have to do is simply click the top link down below in the video description, and that link down below will get you access to this special deal, so you can actually try Kajabi for a whole month basically, because 30 days is approximately a month. So you can essentially try it out for 30 days for free and get an extended trial right here. So I wanted to make a video going over this process and making sure you can actually take advantage of this special deal. So how does it work basically? Well, you essentially click the top link down below in the video description. You'll come to a page that looks something like this. Now keep in mind, this page could potentially change over time in terms of like its looks and its layouts or such and such, right? But the point being is that you'll still come to a page where you can get a 30-day trial unless something does change. But yeah, you just click the top link down below. You'll come to a page that looks like this. You put in your details, as you can see. You put in your this type of stuff right here. You can create an account by putting information here, or with sign up with Google, with Facebook, whatever, right? Once you go ahead and do that, you'll come to this page, and as you can see, you just essentially just confirm everything. You put in your information right here, and yeah, it's currently hailing outside, so I apologize if there's any background noise. But yeah, you get a free trial right here. Yeah, so as you can see, you get, after your 30-day free trial, you obviously pay the monthly rate. But you can always, choose not to go ahead with that. But yeah, you get a 30-day free trial, so you can obviously go through the terms, read through that carefully, and all that type of stuff. Also, in terms of Kajabi itself, there's no platform fees, so you keep what you make. It's a reliable platform for you and your customers, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, which is cool. So yeah, if we go over here to the pricing page right here, as you can see, there's like the basic plan, there's the growth plan, and there's the pro plan. So the basic plan is going to be good for like beginners, and the growth plan is going to be good for people that are looking to expand their offering and grow their audience, right? So if you're in that middle range, then the growth plan might be better for you, and then the pro plan is going to be good for if you're looking to scale your business and your team. So yeah, I mean, in terms of like which plan to choose long term, what I actually like recommend, what I would actually recommend would be to go with the plan that's going to be right for you based on your own circumstances, right? So if you're a beginner, then the beginner plan is going to be right for you in terms of like the basic plan. But if you want my honest opinion, I think the best value for your money is going to be the growth plan, and that's because you get like a lot more features. So for example, instead of 3 products and 3 funnels, you get 15 products and 15 funnels. And you get like a lot more of these extra features that you wouldn't get with the basic plan. For example, the affiliate program, 24/7 chat support, advanced automations, the ability to remove Kajabi branding and all that type of stuff. So in my opinion, if you want the best value for your money, then I'd go with the growth plan. That's probably like the perfect middle ground. And then if you're either like completely brand new and you want to go with the basic plan, then you can just go with that plan. And if you're an advanced user and you're looking to like really scale your business, then the pro plan might be more ideal for you as well. So there's no right or wrong plan per se. It's going to be personally up to you, but I just wanted to put in like, I guess, my 2 cents and my personal opinion based on like, my experience using the platform. But yeah, I just wanted to make more or less a quick video going over the Kajabi 30-day free trial offer. It's an amazing offer, an amazing way to like really try out the platform for yourself, so you can, yeah, try out Kajabi, get everything set up, and then yeah, start building your business and growing your business to new heights. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'll provide a link down below to the Kajabi 30-day free trial in the video description down below. And yeah, thanks for watching today's Kajabi 30-day free trial video.